friends. Choose happy is a motivational saying hello to the new day. A cute hand-painted terracotta pot with an inspirational quote for the hippies. Highlight your favorite houseplants with this cute hand-painted pot. The terracotta pot is perfect for making pen stands, houseplants, tabletop pots, makeup cases, flower pots, and more. The terracotta pot is a perfect gift for anyone who grows or loves hippie style. This terracotta pot is an ideal decoration for a bedroom, indoor garden, kitchen, study, office, desktop, windowsill, balcony, etc.